So guys, and it's getting ready to start part 3 of this build. And in part 3, it's going to be all of our finishing stuff. And I actually did already clear coat all the wood in there this morning. But the fumes from that airless paint sprayer and with that polyacrylic in it were pretty intense. So I didn't want to get my camera in there and get the lens all covered in clear coat. So, but trust me, I did clear coat it. And I wore a respirator mask. I'll try to put a picture of that in there right about now. It looks like I've been wearing a CPAP machine. That's just a respirator. But this is the clear coat we use. That is water-based polyacrylic. And it's good stuff. It's expensive, but it's good stuff. And we are getting ready to paint some of the hardware. Because it's hard to find black hardware. When places get it, they normally sell out of it first. So we just took some 220 grit sandpaper, sanded these brackets, and we're getting ready to paint them with some of this Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. The expensive good stuff. But here's our brackets. I have sanded those. I got them laid on an old pallet, and now we're going to throw some paint on them. So I just did a bunch of math, bunch of measuring, and the tabletop size to go over the mini fridge and for the microwave and stuff to set on is going to end up being 47 inches wide. And I really wanted to do 40 inches wide, but we wasn't going to hit a stud. And because we wasn't going to hit a stud, I'm going to have to make it a little wider, which is fine. Just give them more area to put stuff up there. And 47 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and then there'll be like a little, I don't know, a little small coffee mug shelf above that. So that's what we're getting ready to make. We're going to have to cut these down to size, and then we're going to have to run them through the table saw to square the edges. We're going to drill pocket holes in them. And after that, we're going to put some wood glue on them, screw them together, let them dry, stain them, clear coat them, put them on the wall. That's a lot of steps, but it's what we got to do. Let's get with it, guys. So guys, we're behind schedule on this, and I haven't videoed much today. I've been trying to knock it out. I got a little help today, thank the Lord. But we're getting a lot done, and it's looking really good in here. I wanted to show you guys how it looks before we get it completely finished. Give you a rundown on what we still have to do. So here we go. I'm going to talk fast. Bunk beds are built, and they look great. We got to put a 1/2 inch plywood in both of them. They're 2 full bunk beds, full over full. There'll be a set of stairs coming down here. I got to finish doing some wiring. And we got a ceiling fan, guys. We got laminate flooring down, beautiful laminate flooring. And we built this little table, have a bar stool on each side of the window, mini fridge under here, and a garbage can. I'm pointing with a set of cable cutters. There's a little corner shelf, bench to sit on, take your shoes off once you close the door. And we got all of our plugs in, switches in. I'll tell you what, it's looking nice. Let's show you from right here. It is looking nice. What we have left to do, I got to wire that breaker box up. We got to put the steps on that set of bunk beds. We have to build that little line set cover, and then we have to screw down this outside unit. The concrete was still pretty green, so we let it dry for about a week now. Actually, almost 2 weeks. And you know what? Clean up, and this bad girl will be done. I am beyond pumped. We got to clean up a lot, but we've really been knocking it out today. I mean, today we did laminate flooring, put all these shelves in. I done had them made. We built the bunk bed, stained it, put them in, put a ceiling fan up. We've been all over it. It's pretty exciting, guys, and I appreciate all you guys that's been watching. This is part 3, the final part of this video, and it was great doing it. We got more to do, So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I appreciate each one of y'all. I love you. God bless you. See you later. Hey guys, so I know it's almost dark in here. We don't have the electric hooked up yet, but it's finished. And I'm gonna let you look at it. Hey, if you're interested in staying in this cabin, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to make a video once we get these things up and operational. That way you guys can rent them on Airbnb. I do appreciate all you that's watching, and you've been on this series. This is our final part, and I want to say God bless you and love each and every one of you. Hey, thanks for watching. See you later.